Hey guys, look at the moon wheel. Harley Quinn is here to crush this world. Please welcome in Clown Action!
Start off with a white 350 balloon. If you don't have a 350, you can always use a 260. Make an 8 cm bubble. Cut off the tail. Now pump up your light blue 260 balloon and your light pink 260 balloon. These are for the hair. Make a 10 cm bubble, then a pinch twist. Repeat this on the other balloon. A 10 cm bubble and a pinch twist. Attach the blue and pink balloon to the face. With the pink balloon, make an 8 cm bubble and tie it to the blue pinch twist. Do the same with the blue balloon. Make an 8 cm bubble and tie it to the pink pinch twist. Make 2 4 cm bubbles, one on the blue balloon and one on the pink balloon. Tie them together. Make a 4 cm bubble, pink balloon to the pink pinch twist and blue balloon to the blue pinch twist. Squeeze the air on both of the ends of the balloons until they meet in the middle, underneath the face.
Ready?
Now, pump up your 260 white balloon. This is for the body. Tie it to one of the ears. And meet it underneath the head with the rest of the pink and blue balloons and twist them together.
3.
Make 2 6 cm balloons. Fold them up and twist it back into the middle. Squeeze the air out of the white balloon until all 3 of the balloons meet at the bottom of the torso. Using the blue and the pink balloons, make 2 pinch twists for each of them. Cut the ends and tie the knots, but make sure to save the excess balloon for the arms. Do the same for the pink balloon. Make 2 pinch twists. Cut the ends and tie a knot. But make sure to save the access for the arms. Now onto the legs. Make a 7 cm bubble, a pinch twist, and a loop twist to form one of the legs. Make a 2 cm spacer bubble. Then make another pinch twist, loop twist, and a 7 cm bubble. And tie it back to the belt. Cut the excess tail. Now to make the arms, use the leftover pink and blue pieces from earlier. Make a 4 cm bubble for the pink balloon, and the blue balloon. Tie them together. Cut off the excess tails. Now, slip the arms from behind the head, between the head and the torso. Squish the balloons to form the pigtails. Now it's time to draw on her details. Start with the writing on her t-shirt. Now on to the details on her boots. Now draw her face. Color in her eyes with blue. Light pink for the blush. And darker pink for her lips. Give her some eyelashes. And you're done.
Whoa, I have a Balloon Harley Quinn. I'll put it here. If you like my channel, please comment, like, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Thank you, bye!